Yes.
But with the consent of the counsel of the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 61 of supplement list.
61.
This is a bail application. I'm referring for the NCB. But what happened, there was some confusion whether the matter is relating to state. In my report, it is stated that we have returned the copy to the state, but it is belong to NCB.
Okay.
Maybe taken on next Monday.
Okay. Monday.
Lordship, I beg to mention a bail application, my lord, filed on 6/11/2023, earlier rejected by this honorable court, my lord. Kindly matter will come on tomorrow's this, my lord. Already I am obliged, my lord. May I please? Compromise matter, lord.
Tomorrow?
Warrant is issued
Tomorrow.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item 20. Lordship, as per the information, CD is not received. I am on interim.
Yes, my lord.
Interim to continue when?
From Bongaigaon, my lord, and court of
Court. Interim to continue.
May I please, your lordship, 413 in application, lordship. Day after tomorrow for motion.
May I please, Lord. With the consent of the other side, back to item number 12. They filed an IA for vacating the stay. We want to file our objective.
Okay. I likhibo, huh? The learned counsel for the petitioner opposite party. Press for not petitioner, learned counsel for the opposite party. I just likhibo. Press for and is granted
1 week.
1 week time to file objection. Prayer is allowed. List accordingly.
Also, can
I
it
had
be taken on after 3 weeks? I have for the applicant. Can it take it up 3 weeks?
Why?
The conducting council is after 3 weeks. However, we filed the objection by today.
There isn't stay like anything. Nothing. Stayed. Will after 10 days. Give a date. Interim order pass earlier cell main case likhibo in view of order passed in IA. We'll dispose it of. That is our idea. You are in the
Petition.
in a petition. Who is seeking time?
He is seeking time because the other side says they
So don't take adjournment. You are having difficulty and you are insisting on 3 weeks. We'll hear this matter. Okay.
also can then it's taken after 1 week because they have also not filed the objection.
So what is this? If the learned senior counsel says that you want an adjournment, and why are you seeking adjournment then?
Earlier, they had given
And you are taking the chance and taking the 3 weeks.
this. So, the objection was to be filed, also, but it was not filed. The repetition of the petition, the matter to be disposed of.
No evidence. No evidence.
No evidence on the basis of the orders that passed the
Okay, after 10 days, give a date. In main case of Diva? 1st of December. Our main case of Diva, interim order pass earlier, shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
Malus 61 is disposed of matter, lordship, though mentioned by the other side, lordship. So in this case, already on 1610, order already passed by the honorable court to dispose of matter within 3 months, and he was there. That is why his appearance was not shown in the order sheet, lordship.
No, tell me one thing. If it is disposed of, why this matter is...
Actually, order already passed.
Have you got the copy?
Yes, lordship, it is in the record, lordship. 1610 already passed the relevant.
Okay, then you have order passed. You submit this.
Oh, I already submitted.
So this is according to you, nothing survives in this.
No, Lord.
So we'll fix it on Monday. Let it come on Monday, or
Next
call
one.
him. Call him.
Today.
Call Mr.
Already passed the order, lordship.
No. No, where it is passed?
Already there is
Have
a
you got,
last line, Lordship, there is a direction to dispose of the matter within 3 months. So
which
that
order dated?
order 16 days.
Kindly see, be informed. Registry will not do such a mistake. Have you got the certificate copy?
Downloaded copy, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes, sir.
See the previous period,
However, fairly submitted a 3 months time may be granted to learn a trial court to complete the trial of the case accordingly when keeping pending the length of detention. The learned counsel NCB is not available for hearing, therefore issue reminded to take.
Then where is the disposal? It is your submission. You will not go through the order. If I would have believed you, I would have closed it, already disposed of. Be informed. When you make a mention, be informed. We are more informed than you. This is your case and I am more informed than you. And you will make a submission without going
I'm
to the
sorry,
record.
Lord.
That should not, it's not expected from a seasoned lawyer like you.
Sorry, Lord.
Yes, next case. Yes.
So, I beg to mention criminal appeal number 315 of 23 may be listed after tomorrow.
At what stage?
The motion stage. Earlier, it was listed on 29/8 on the
Okay.
day.
Okay. Bails, all bails AB and BA are allowed. Huh? Less than 7 years. Less than 7 years or bail and ABs are allowed, but not more than go through it. Huh? Yes, next.
For listing of criminal appeal.
Criminal appeal, yes.
May I please? Item 42, my lord. Is it not? 42. From Borpeta, my lord, is an interim. Borpeta. Borpeta. No, Golagat. Borpeta PS. 6th of December.
6th of this.
Interim, my lord.
Interim.
May I please, Your Honor? I beg to mention item number 22. Pray for withdrawal.
32.
22.
Dispose of only.
May I please your lordship, item number 46. Engaged senior counsel will be arriving on 24th of November from Kolkata. So matter may be adjourned till 24th of November, Friday.
Item 46.
46.
CD? Then how can we wait?
Yeah, on last date, your lordship, you told us to take adjournment till 24th. He will be arriving from Kolkata on 24th, Friday.
Okay.
Obliged.
Any interim?
No.
So I beg to beg for listing of an item that is criminal petition pending since 2019. So may come up on Wednesday or Friday as your lordship deems fit.
Next week
Lordship.
in the admission column?
Lordship, kindly Monday. Lordship.
Holiday, Tuesday. Wednesday, next Wednesday, not this Wednesday, next Wednesday, 29th.
May I please, Lordship?
Uh.
One AB, my lord, there is no interim, my lord. Last listed on, my lord, 1910, my lord. But matter
date
ought
fixed.
to have been not listed, my
No
lord.
date fix.
No date fixed, my lord. But after just in the second week, that's why matter ought
Okay.
to have been listed,
Okay.
my lord, on Monday, my lord.
Monday.
Monday.
Wednesday.
Witness. My lord, obliged, my lord. Witness.
Yes, Mahajan.
May I please lord, listing, my lord, AB.
AB I have given all AB and BA.
It is special act, my lord, KM meeting.
Huh?
Taking a special act.
Huh? Whichever is special acts is applicable to these bans, AB and BA all allowed.
Lordship. Actually, another criminal appeal, my lord. First stage, admission column, my lord.
Okay. Okay. That is, can it wait till next week?
No, file long back, not listed, my lord. File almost.
There may be some defects.
My lord, already all cured, my lord, not listed. I can leave.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord,
I beg to mention item number 38. The first is notable. I mean, internal. 30.
38, yes.
Yes, well, city not available.
CD not available. Interim to continue.
On from March 4th of December.
4th of December.
Next item number 45, your lordship. It is a AP matter lordship, and we are for the informant. We filed a implement of the for the informant your lordship.
Where is the question of implement? Be here.
Can it implement be checked to record your lordship?
What is the implement? We'll
informant-
hear it. We'll hear it. Where you? Why should we waste all time? You bring it on record. The CD is not there. Okay. Any interim? Interim is there. When? Give a date. From which place?
Panboda Malatan 30 30 20 29 months.
29th. Interim to continue. In the meantime, the implement petition stated to have been filed by the petitioner may be taken by the informant.
I beg to mention that item number 28, there may be assignment for next week.
28.
Next week. Any CD is there?
That's not available.
No, it is not available.
Interim there? Interim is there?
Interim.
When?
Interim. 28 malap.
20 child. I cannot see. That's very great.
Teacher.
Item number 43, my lord.
Hmm.
Secretary is not here.
Yes, any interim?
Interim is there.
Yeah.
40.
From Simla malap. Interim is there malap.
When?
6th of December.
6th of December.
May I please, sir? I beg to mention item number 9.
9.
Sir, kindly pass over, sir.
What's on?
That is in this matter. We'll
Earlier
take, huh?
Earlier also adjourned malap.
They will adjourn it. Nothing is there. Yes. When?
29. I beg to mention item 41. Paying for withdrawal.
Yes.
41.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 29,
20?
29, lordship.
Yes.
Can be passed over for the day, lordship. My senior is out of station.
Yes. What about, what is the status? CD?
CD available.
CD available. When?
Only for the day.
Day after tomorrow.
Obliged, your lordship. There is an interim, lord.
Interim order, pass earlier sale continue.
Obliged,
Yeah.
your lord. May it please your lord. I beg to mention.
Pastor, you keep the copy. Yeah,
CD must-
CD.
May it please your lord. I beg to mention for listing of criminal petition, my postal letter. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Deeply. May I please, my lordship? My lordship, I beg to mention item number 55. And my lordship, my senior is out of station. So another date may be fixed for the matter.
55.
Yes, my lordship.
IA.
What about this IA?
Delay condonation.
What is the IA? Delay condonation. We'll issue a notice. We'll see. No need to adjourn. You be here. We do not need your senior for this case.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 37.
37.
37 for withdrawal, lordship.
Huh?
For withdrawal, lordship.
37.
And for lordship 39, lordship, there is interim seat is not there.
Yes, Parasat 39.
39 malap. Yes. CD not available.
Interim is there. When? Which place?
Oh, malap 30th of Kamrup Metro.
38th of November.
November.
Interim to continue.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention
Listing of
criminal affairs.
when?
Next week.
Keep a
Next week.
date next week.
May I please,
Make
your
a
lordship,
mention.
I beg to mention criminal petition of 360 of 23 on Wednesday or Friday.
For listing
Yes, sir.
Friday.
Much obliged.
May I please, madam? I'm praying for listing of the criminal petition for order.
Why?
There was a direction to provide a 10 copy of the case.
think maybe it was also directed to be listed after 3.
Hmm.
So till now it is not been listed. On
Or
10/8,
this is for what? This
for
is
order.
no, for orders relating to
Relating to, my lord, we are challenging the order of the learned PGM, where there was a direction to hand over my vehicle to the other. So that is the. This week, my lord. Public.
My please, Your Honor.
yes, sir, you have recovered the slabs, you have recovered seized his yeah. Let him go. The forwarding report reflects that the alleged stolen iron slab has been recovered. Full stop. Recovered. Full stop. The recovered. Full stop. It is further reveals that the accused has duly been interrogated and sufficient materials has been collected. Considering such stage of investigation as well as the period of detention, to the satisfaction of
CGM, Kamrup Metro.
CGM Kamrup Metro. Dispose of. Scan copies will call.
Already
now started. Now started. Scan copies will call.
Notice has to be issued to the informant.
Huh.
So PP, copies of the PP.
Okay. Okay. Registry.
As per the division bench, for the PP, to get to the PP.
Rotate to the PP, rotate to the OC maybe, but we cannot.
Where is that?
Procedure.
Procedure is that we have given the.
They had to submit the registry. Forwarding this copy to our office. Yes.
You will have to take steps.
Yes.
You will take steps.
Sure.
Registry will do the needful.
Yes.
You will have to take the steps. We cannot burden or registry or them to have. You will give the steps, those notice and all to the registry, will submit it, then registry will send it to the
PPFs will send to the.
hard, Mr. S. Dekha. It's an application under suspension. The petitioner has been surseated.
On 2010,
Surseated in Tinsukia PS case number 518/2023 under surseat number. Where is the surseat? Where do you get the surseat number?
41/2020.
No, page 37.
Page 37.
Page 37. Where do you get the surseat number?
Surseat number
441. Pencil mark, 2023 dated 2010/2023. Corresponding to special
special case number 115/2020.
Special case number 115 of 2023, pending before the learned additional special judge within bracket POXO. See page 7, page 52, annexure 7. POXO. Call for issue notice. Full stop. The Mr. Parasar, learned additional public prosecutor, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number 2 through the 2. After such steps being taken, the notice be served through the office of the public prosecutor. Full stop.
Through the OC, my lord.
Through the OC.
OC.
Through the OC. Through the Tinsukia police station, registry to do the needful investigation. In terms of the judgment passed by the Honorable Division Bench in Criminal Appeal J/40-2022. In terms of that, they will do that. Full stop. The registry is also to call for the scan copies of the proceeding of POXO case number 115 of 2023, along with the scan copies of the case diary of Tinsukia Police Station case number
518/2020.
Please this matter. You are a little bit early in this case. You ought to have waited for some time. At least the victim's statement. Where is so what? Your charge sheet is given. You are early.
October 30.
And where is the victim now? With whom?
With his
Father.
uncle-in-law.
Then see her fate, how we believe you that you will not influence.
And then
Until and unless, this is my view, until and unless her statement is recorded, till then it's difficult. This is an indication.
11.
We do not know.
11.
11?
11.
You can take a date, but it's difficult. 11th.
Public.
Yes.
This is better. What has happened is my lord, I was arrested. Some theft occurred, Lordship.
Mm.
And
You
then,
are the
Lordship,
inspirator of this
my lord.
incidents.
I'm
Do you know?
I'm
Because of you people, these things are happening. You are not directly involved, but
not
you are the
involved,
abator.
Lordship. I'm not involved, Lordship. I'm just a small time goldsmith, Lordship.
That's why
And-
small time. That is why. How can you purchase gold without any GST, without hallmark? If you are a gold, we'll call for the case diary.
Lordship will call for the Kejari, my lord. I'm just praying, Lordship, that let it be fixed on Friday, my lord. Because I'm behind the bars, my lord, for no purpose, without any reason, my lord.
No, we do not know how many stolen ornaments you have purchased.
Lordship,
Had it been a general public that somebody comes and says, "Okay, take this. I'm in need of money." You are a shop owner. You
Yes,
must know what is the procedure of purchasing gold and selling it.
Lordship, I'm repairing ornaments, my lord, and I'm making, Lordship.
When?
Can it be on, Lordship, can it be on Friday, my lord?
28.
28. How many days you are behind?
11
Lordship, from 11 days.
11 days. We'll see what is the stage of investigation, how many cases you are involved, we do not know.
They are helping these people because of this process is going on.
Lordship,
And this is not a case of simple stealing or snatching. He entered into the house,
This
robbed
cycle
it
is going on.
in the night.
my lord, I'm not named in the FIR, my lord. And Lordship,
How
I'm-
will they name you? When?
28.
20. Yes.
For 30 replication with page 10 is the affair.
Mm.
The allegation narrated is the affair is totally false. There is allegation of
CD. What is the validity of this Annexer 1? Where have you paid GST? What is the validity of this? Anybody can ask Mr. Porasar, he will make it in his computer today itself, right now.
My vehicle is there.
Nowadays, that's why we do not believe all this.
No steal also.
Nothing. CD. Hmm?
Right property. The allegation is after 4 days the incident of the affair is lost. Allegation is that using
Robbery in
No,
the middle of a night in a highway. What are the offenses?
1st of December.
365 others are available, but this is not happened.
365 is not. It should be some other offenses. What are that robbery in the highway in the night? That should be the offense.
Allegation is totally false that the allegation of
You are a abator to that offense. Your vehicle is involved. You say lie after lie. You say that I have given it to somebody. So we need an investigation on the basis of this, whether Kalpataru is involved. Whether they will come and say that no, we have not taken. Then
allegation of number to new vehicle.
yes, next. Sir, you have one thing. Come to paragraph 3. Considering his age, he is 19 years, she is 16 years. An incident happened earlier also, admittedly in the FIR. Both are a very tender age. Keeping inside him jail will not purposely will make him criminal. So give us a instruction after some time after matters are over. whether girl is recovered, paragraph 3 of the petition.
Yes, yes.
If girl is recovered, we'll give him interim.
No, Gamala, yes.
Huh, you have it. We'll after take a, it's a 19 years
Hello.
boy. See, earlier also she went with him. Now this is the second time. Yes.
One petitioner before your lordship, FIR at page 13.
Hmm. You are the driver.
Driver, my lord, when my lord, vehicle was my lord, is my lord 9 bag, beetle nut was found, my lord. And it is night, my lord, and vehicle was my lord standing on the roadside.
Your story would have been better. The story you have depicted ought to have been better to grant you interim. That yes, I am a driver, I do not know anything, my owner has sent it. Now you are defending your owner by this bail application. I was on leave, this, that.
My lord, even my
That shows your
my
involvement.
lord, assuming my lord, FIR is 550, my lord, correct, my lord, this sector, my lord, may not applicable, my lord. But,
Why?
how, my lord, they
If
will-
you are a part of the of
my lord, this is local battle, not they cannot
how that for that needs investigation.
9 bag, my lord, they cannot prove, my lord.
Okay,
this is
city interim. Go and appear, give statement. But you tell the truth this time.
Yes.
If we see in the city that you are doing
Well,
playing with this investigation, it will be difficult. Interim.
Keep to.
API within 10 days.
12 of December.
Considering the next to agote. Yes.
Petitioner 482. By the last part, scan copy of the.
Scan copy. Not listed for my lord.
Because we did not want to stall the investigation. Let the investigation continue. Let us have a scan copy. Moment we bring the CD, the investigation gets stalled. When? Tell us.
Scan copy of LCR.
Not LCR. This is a posting of FIR.
Not captured.
Not
Oh, not
considered.
considered.
That's why we
Oh.
said that have a
No,
scan
my
copy
lord.
of the case
The-
diary. The
by-
moment we call the original copy,
By mistake, was scan copy of LCR it is written. So
that's okay. On the prayer of the learned additional public prosecutor Mr. Paratha, matter stands adjourned to enable him to obtain
Okajan.
the scan copy of the case diary of
Okajan PS.
no, her charge sheet has been filed or what?
No, my lord. Earlier for the same, this is the second FIR for the same offense.
Okay.
Earlier,
You
my
say that some news section is the investigation.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Same offense.
But you are on bail in the earlier case.
Earlier case.
Earlier case. So there is no problem also for us. So you wanted to verify whether this is, then we'll say now I recall.
Yes.
Our idea is to whether see new
My lord,
cases.
some photographs, my lord, were violent 5 years back, my lord. I was arrested, trial going on. Again, I was arrested with the same offense.
Then you are released on bail. So you
Yes.
want a second.
Yes, my lord.
Okajan is 70.
Lord has not issued the notice. also.
How will we decide on
Yes.
that? Yes.
Okajan. First of December.
1st of December 20.
Okay.
It means lord,
Your smile shows everything. Huh?
on earlier occasion, my lord, your lordship have taken.
Opening day after vacation for me. Yes.
Lordship,
Your smile shows everything.
no, lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner has been directed to the maintenance of my lord 8,000.
Mm.
Petitioner he has a rural pharmacy, out of which he can earn.
Rural pharmacies are the source of incomes now.
Lordship, he has permission only to sell medicines like my lord, vitamin and paracetamol. But,
Most used medicines nowadays. Yes, anyway,
my lord,
you are below poverty line.
Yes.
Pay it.
it's very difficult.
If you continue to pay, we may examine. If you say that no, I am not in a
Yes, sir,
position,
he-
then
he has been paying my lord.
so you pay,
but-
we'll examine it. Huh?
So on my part, I very deep that interim
We'll consider the interim after the appearance of the. We'll issue a notice subject to your continuous payment, and we'll consider interim after appearance of your wife. And you'll pay rupees 5,000 extra for her bringing her to this court.
well, that may be later on.
Okay. Okay. Spencer, application Spencer. Issue notice. Returnable after 4 weeks. Call for the case record of Spencer duty ID. CGM, duty order impunity. Okay. Call for the scan copies. Scan copies. Okay. Issue notice on interim. The same shall be returnable on the same date. Return after 4 weeks to here. The same shall be considered on appearance after appearance of the respondent. Steps within 5 days, both ways.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, here, my lord, impugn order, Lord, you will find at page 70.
Yes. 70.
9. Yes, put it to the circle of the then it cannot be marketed. Then in 35 and the circle of the price selected may be maintained by but there that so if the compliance
Yes. What is the High Court's order?
High Court order what you will find at page 26.
Play black put it. One idea ready. Yeah, no. Patla play. Taste?
Yes, 26. And property part my lord is 28. Paragraph 4.
Yes.
Now another order lot you will find passed by the Honorable High Court at page 19. Page 19. And property part my lord at page 25. Paragraph 5. Page 25, paragraph 5. Page 25.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Paragraph 5.
Just a minute. Earlier judgment was at page
Earlier judgment at page
20.
Huh?
No,
earlier page 26.
26. Okay, now,
Now,
and other judgment.
Yes.
Page,
page 25, para 5.
page, page 20 to page 25.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Paragraph 5, my lord. Considering the nature of the short for and the representation, the total
Just
land
a minute, just a minute. Yes. Paragraph.
paragraph 5, my lord.
Mm.
Page 20.
Mm.
Considering the nature of the short
In doing so.
Yes.
Come to the in doing so.
In doing so, the circle officer shall first satisfy itself
Mm.
that the petitioner are the owners of the land, and if satisfaction arrives to be that they are not the owners,
Mm.
they are not be further required to have the land demarcated.
So here is a satisfaction that you are not owner.
That is similar.
Then how can you decide you are owner or not owner?
That is
Go
similar
to
finding.
huh?
That is
Go to the civil court. Can we decide here?
Now, my lord, the purported report, my lord, would consider.
No. Can we will consider, provided we can decide it. Suppose there is a report is bad. You are the actual owner. This is your patta. This is your dag. This is this. This is that. Can we decide in sitting in a read court?
Yes, my lord.
If obviously not, we are dismissing it or you will withdraw it. With a liberty to approach the appropriate forum for any grievances regarding the disputed land.
Now, only my lord question, lord, as many as 20 houses,
Mm.
dwelling houses, my lord,
Mm.
over the 6 plot of land.
Mm.
That was not into my lord taken consideration, right?
Understand?
Yes.
You go to the, instead of coming here, you ought to have gone to the civil. The RDs are not a single writ petition is maintainable. Earlier writ petition, 2 petitions filed before this court. Even against order of demarcation, you'll have to go to the Board of Revenue.
Yes.
RDs writ court are meant for this.
In that case, my lord, liberty may be given, but we will approach the appropriate.
Okay, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner may be allowed to withdraw the present application with a liberty to approach the appropriate forum under the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation. Appropriate forum under Assam Board and Revenue Regulation. And what is that earlier act? Okay, liberty to approach the appropriate forum to approach this appropriate forum. Full stop. As this court has expressed an opinion that this writ petition is not maintainable. Full stop. In view of such submission, the present petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty to approach the appropriate forum to assail the order dated 21/8/2023 available to the petitioner under law. Full stop. However, such remedy shall not be a writ proceeding.
Criminal.
Our criminal petition. Not such proceeding shall not be criminal. Not writ petition, criminal petition. Under section 482. Item?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
482 application, your lordship,
Yes.
for quashing an FIR, lordship.
Sanmari PSK seat scan copies.
In QR code.
Case diary of Sanmari PS case 141/2023.
We have received.
Received? Yes, I will.
My lord, there is also respondent number 2.
What is the, we'll think of respondent number 2 only when we are satisfied that it should proceed further. Yes, where is the affair?
Page,
Hmm.
page 11 plus 12 is the funny color.
Page 12.
May I read?
हाँ.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন, এই যে যোৱাকালি প্ৰায় 10:50 মান বজাত জামাল আলী নামৰ ব্যক্তি এজনে মোক গুৱাহাটীৰ পৰা ফোন কৰি জনায় যে তোমাৰ মা ফাঁচিল নাই, আত্মহত্যা কৰিছে। যিজন ব্যক্তিৰ লগত
Yes, what is the case diary?
My lord, case diary reveals, my lord,
It's a case of suicide or murder.
It's a case of, my lord, suicide. It's my lord, this, along with Jamal Ali, my lord, the deceased person is staying with him, my lord. One of the, my lord, witness, that is the land
Owner.
landowner, my lord. He has revealed, my lord, after 7 months, my lord, they are living in that house, my lord. And there are occasional quarrel between them, my lord.
Any material to compel her to such a situation?
So for the witnesses are concerned, only stated that witnesses reveal, my lord, till date, my lord, that there are quarrel among them.
Okay, hard.
And
Hard, Mr.
if the lordship would like to
Hard, Mr.
K.
Thakur, learned counsel for the petitioner, also hard counsel. So, Mr. Goswami, a learned additional public prosecutor. Full stop. The case diary in case of Sanmari PS case number 141/2023, registered under section 306 IPC, is received. The present petition under section 482 is filed for quashing an FIR dated. You proceed with your investigation.
Yes,
I think you will give a final report, might be. We do not know. That's
there
too
are
early.
some materials against this petitioner that he is to sort out. That is why investigation is required.
Investigation is required. Come on. So you have already been granted bail.
Yes, but he is outside.
You are outside. Full stop. Come on. The present application is filed for quashing an FIR dated for quashing the Sanmari PS case number 141/20, the FIR dated 16/4/2023, registered as Sanmari PS case number 141/23 under section 306 IPC, dated 16/4/2023. Full stop. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Goswami accepts notice on behalf of
On behalf of respondent number 1.
respondent number 1. Notice to respondent number 2 be issued through registered post as well as through usual process to demur. Full stop. Okay. Full stop. Case diary be returned back.
No.
The investigating authority shall be at liberty to continue with the investigation and file the final report. What do you call it? FF.
FF, my
FF.
Tiffin.
FF. Let us see. I do not think this is a case. Then we'll see, because there is some judgment where it says even you can challenge the search during pendency of that.
Yes.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship?
69.
VC to yes.
My lord, am I audible?
We'll take it after some time. VC after these methods or motions are over. I will not take much time. After some time.
My lord.
Yes, what is this law? Just have it. Yes, Mr. Das, look into it, please, what this method, or whoever is there. Yes, this is what?
This is transit bail, my lord.
Here I am appearing for response number one as a central government council.
Till
I have sent an email to the Delhi Special Cell Delhi Police Dwarka on Saturday, but I have not received any instruction because on night only I have get
these are the Diwali time.
and only transit bail, my lord, without mentioning anything, my lord, within 10 days or 60 time, my lord.
Till appearance before.
Till appearance. And
Till appearance before whom?
before the my lord, IO, my lord, because they get the 41 and notice, my lord.
41A notice, my lord. Page 11. Is the FIR and the
IO,
Where are you apprehending arrest?
apprehending arrest, I have mentioned, my lord, paragraph 4,
Page
4, paragraph
No,
5.
no. Tell me about your notice.
About notice page 10, my lord. 41A under section 419, 420, 120B, my lord. Special cell Delhi. FIR, my lord, it's a very long FIR. FIR relevant person, my lord, will find page 14. One Mr. Anand Kumar has lost his FIR. I'm apprehending arrest only because what I have written in paragraph 5. Only
What is the FIR contents? What is the allegation?
allegation against page 14, my page 14. Allegation not against me, my lord. It is unknown against unknown persons. My lord.
internet fraud, my lord, 2 lakh rupees was taken out from the account, my lord. So, internet banking.
And this bank account is not mine, my lord, number one. Number two, my lord, I am from Assam. And this transaction has happened in Delhi, my lord. Why I am been apprehending, my lord? This mobile number mentioned in the bank account, my lord, is found to be in my name. And my credential, my lord, can find in page number 2. I am a daily wage laborer working in.
Okay. Hard.
Yes,
Mr. Tapadar, learned counsel for the applicant. Present application is filed under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, bring for transit anticipatory bail, comma, who has been issued a notice dated
page 10, my lord.
No, page 10, tell us the date.
16/11/20.
16/11/2023, issued by the one inspector IFSO, comma, Special Cell Delhi. Page 10, huh? Dated column, comma, under section 41 within bracket capital A CRPC. Under 41A capital A CRPC. Full stop. Apprehending, arrest, the petitioner has filed this application. But there is a specific direction that you will one day time to obtain necessary instruction. Though this court under order dated 18/11/2023 asked Mr. Parasar Larnes CGC to obtain necessary instruction from Delhi police. However, Mr. Parasar submits that though he has sent a mail, he is yet to receive instruction. Should we record that you have said that?
Yes, mail is available.
No. I'm not saying that. That he can be granted transit bail till appearance.
No, that.
So then, since there is a judicial order, we'll have to wait for that instruction.
Yes, my lord, on that actually on
Specific
on the day itself, the court is allowed to bail, my lord. So, order number I'll take.
Okay. In that view of the matter, this court is of the considered opinion that without entering into the merit of the FIR or the claim of the petitioner, comma, the petitioner is allowed, a petitioner is granted anticipatory bail for a period of 10 days. 10 days.
Very poor man have booked ticket.
15 days from today, that is till 10 days, 15 days from today. 6 December 2023 or the petitioner appears before the aforesaid inspector special Swencho Selipesi to Kochilo, Delhi police. The Delhi police with the following condition that he will appear on and before such and such.
special cell मतलब sector डाला था मतलब
Special very different special that's why I've given that address you will give her details.
Date of appearance was 16/11/23 and its notice was issued on 21/10/23.
notice was 20
Understand? Notice was issued on
On 20/20
and date was 16/11. So we are extending it to appear before the IO in terms of the notice dated
20/10/20.
10/20/10/23.
Deeply
In the
obliged.
meantime, if you get bail, you get bail. Dispose.
Obliged.
This case with the healthcare is
over capital based instruction. Section involved with 373 and 4 of POSCO Act, but the FIR is at 9. Most of the victims have got the healthcare
out of 11, 8 witnesses have been examined, including the doctor.
What is your name?
Akash Munda.
Huh?
Akash Munda.
Akash Munda.
Where my name is.
Are you examined?
I will have to be examined.
How he was yet to be examined?
Yet to be examined. So for officer witness, only doctor is examined.
Where is the doctor's evidence and the sister's evidence?
PW8.
PW8 is the doctor and sister? Rasmita or something like that.
Yes, yes.
Before
That I-
whom she disclosed first.
Yes, that I have not tried my fact. He was medically examined after 4 days. 19. Occurrence took place on 15.
Uh, 164 are recorded when?
That I have flag marked. That I have. So after 18, because FIR was lost on 18.
Just a minute. What was the name?
The boy was Akash.
No. Risma Kaki. Whether Risma is examined.
But
as has been intimated by my learned friend, his enter submissions rest on that civil.
mainly one thing.
So let a reminder be issued.
Okay. This court, under its order dated 8/11/2023, directed for requisitioning the seizure list from the learned court below. The office note dated. What is the office note? Office note dated 6/10/2023. Huh?
17/10.
Office note. Civil list note. Last
6/10/2023.
Earlier. Last one is perhaps 15, 15, 11.
No, has not been repeated. Last. Okay, 17/11/2023. The seizure list, comma, 17/11/2023 reflects that, comma, though the seizure list was called on 14/11/20, seizure list was requisition
On 8,
by requisition by the registry on 14/11/2023, comma, office note dated 17/11/2020 reflects that seizure list called for has not yet been received by the registry. Full stop. Issue reminder and list this matter when?
okay, one page perhaps. So maybe on 23rd or maybe 1st of
1st of December. 1st of December.
Thank you, Lordship.
Hmm.
Kindly accept the matter for the day.
Okay. It is submitted that we are closing it. It is submitted by Mr. Das Larnet, Additional Public Prosecutor, that search sheet has already been filed in this case, being search sheet number
109
109
public 23
public 23
dated
dated
31/10/23.
31/10/2023. Full stop. In that view of the matter, the present application stands closed with a liberty to the petitioner to approach the trial court for seeking bail. Full stop. In the event such application is filed, the learned trial court shall consider the same as per law.
16. Scan copy was called for, Lordship. Scan copy has not been received. And there is an office note.
Now I'll have to take all these cases. NDPS.
NDPS.
I'll have to study then.
NDPS POCSO.
POCSO is more or less that I will handle. You'll have to assist, that's all. Office note dated 15/11/2023 reflects that scan copy of status report, comma, case record and case diary. In view of office note dated 15/11/2023, the registry to issue reminder for the issue reminder. Full stop. List on 8th of December.
it's the last.
How many days you are? 122 days. See the if you this the date would be a little bit later, you would have not have adjourned this. We'll see that. Yes, next.
Make result.
Yes.
239 application, my lord. Child marriage matter. FIR is at page number 12.
Who lost the affair?
My lord, one GP secretary.
How many days considering the
48 days.
period of detention?
Highly obliged.
Let us not dispose of. Let us not spend too much money on this state exchequer's money on these people.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
My lord, if I am the tender part for the last 720 for bond already granted bail by Department Court.
Scan copy perhaps not received.
That order please 30 minutes.
No, but can we give without going through the scan copies?
612 this and 723 days.
No. Is it only on the ground that there is no material, or only on the ground of that that it can be granted, or only on the ground of detention?
612 days.
No, understand. But what is the reason for granting bail to the
It
accused?
is reflected in the page 30 minutes. Page 31.
lawsuit by the law. As stated, this record recovery 605 so it's noticed that 60% so there is a case record reveals that after completion investigation police submitted charges against the accused witness and two others. Among them, one of them I am myself. Thereafter, by so charges were framed on list of 7 prosecution witness charges, and out of 3 witnesses were examined. Consider detention with now days 720 days. Already same.
Now tell me one thing, subject to correction. Come to page 32.
My lord.
Kindly come to page 32.
Yes.
This court is of the considered opinion that despite the bar contained in section 37 of the NDPS Act in granting bail in matter involving commercial quantity drug, the accused petitioner may be granted the liberty of bail subject to stringent conditions. Now, under which power this is fixed?
Section 37.
So, what is the section 37 bar? And what satisfaction you will have to give for granting a bail?
The special certificate for him to decide not.
No, not condition. What is the prerequisite or bar or restriction under 37? What should kind of satisfaction has been imposed by the legislature under section 2037? Why? Because our jurisdictions are decided by this principle, is not it? So 37 is brought in by the legislature with some object. Can we say that I will ignore this 37? So I'll have to give my satisfaction that though 37 is there in this view of this, I am granting it, or in view of 37, these satisfactions are not there. Is that it? I'll not pass an order like this.
Moreover, this order is in passed after perusal of the record. Here, record is not there.
Not.
Not that. 30 also have annexed here, and forwarding report also.
These are not standard. Forwarding report and FIR is not standard in a commercial quantity under NDPS Act. I will call for the scan copies. I do not know. You enlighten me. I do not think that 37 can be granted like this. You will have to have a satisfaction.
Satisfaction has to be
recorded. I am exercising a jurisdiction of grant or not of a grant of bail under section 439 to be controlled by the legislature's mandate under section 37
Yes.
and law laid down in this regard. How this court has or Supreme Court has interpreted. I must have a satisfaction that yes, 37 is there, but I'll ignore it. I cannot do that. I can grant bail. There are many judgments.
Section 37.
Another apex court has said number of occasions that you cannot ignore 37.
You cannot ignore. I'll have to give a reason.
That order may not have considered the 37. The bail order may not.
Don't bring to that order,
Yes.
please. In view of office note dated 17/11/2023, because it's not even prima facie case. 37 is beyond something. It's beyond that. Scan copy of case record. In view of office note dated 17/11/2023, registry to issue reminder for the scan copy. Reminder requisitioning for the scan copy of the case record, full stop, in terms of this court's order dated 9/11/2023. List this matter on 12th of December. That will appear. All it done. ওইটা 18 আছিল না? Yes.
FIR is case number 11. Is hand number for 21. Case number 17.
What is the forwarding?
Case 16.
Huh?
Case 16.
Yes.
One.
Sir, why is he handed over their ATM card?
Okay.
for
How many days
20.
considering? Nature of allegation and period of detention.
CCM Bongaigaon.
CCM Bongaigaon. 20,000. She will give the ATM, give the PIN.
Yes, my lord.
Ask him to withdraw 2,000. He will withdraw 19. Yes.
Petitioners are in custody in last 45 days, Lord.
Hmm.
Where is it in this case, my lord, case diary not received.
Where is the affair?
The articles are recovered.
What is the affair?
That Lord will find at page 11.
Yes.
Page 11.
Where is the okay? This is the forwarding. 12.
Oh.
Oh, affair. Okay.
Affair. There's been unit of Airtel mobile tower.
Who are you?
Prashant.
Prashant Sekhya. Where do you know that you have been recovered?
If the body report not there,
The forwarding report is not there.
case diary will be recorded.
You are an employee of that. Photo is identified. Yes, give her.
My lord, regarding the present accused person, item number 23 also, my lord, same accused. And these are my lord baseband unit of mobile tower, and this type of offenses, my lord, continuously going
So
on.
tell us, when can you give it?
23 is already for 54 days. Today is my lord
54 days. What is the period?
54 days. In item number 23. Then my lord,
You are having all materials. You are having the CCTV. You are having their photograph statement of their earlier employer that these are the employees. You file a search sheet materials there. But you are not filing 54 days. You are waiting.
in item number 23, 54 days, and in item number 21, 45 days. 20 Thursday, my trial court is in both the cases. If not,
When? If you can have it day after tomorrow,
Yes.
that is fine.
Yes.
Otherwise, we'll
On-
allow him.
yes, my lord, on 22/11.
On the prayer of the learned public prosecutor, release this matter day after tomorrow date to be. If you can, otherwise we'll consider.
Yes, my lord.
All these 21 and 23.
21 and 22.
Maybe. Yes, case diary received, Mr.
No, my
Portable, no.
case diary also not.
Case diary call for is not received. Is this matter?
He is on interim, my lord.
When? Give a date.
7/12, my
7/12 interim to field. Interim order passed. Yes.
May it be allowed. In
Have
terms
you
of your
appeared
lordship,
thereafter?
he appeared. His statement was recorded in 3 of the cases,
Hmm.
and
Yes, whatever do you need his custodial interrogation?
Otherwise, my lord, he appeared, his statement recorded because of his my lord, case is pending because his non-appearance before the
Okay.
IO, my lord.
What
Sufficient
these
appeal, you
cases?
can say,
41, 42? Considering the
Uh,
co-operative class, na?
25 and 26.
Pursuant to interim order, co-operative order. Disposed of to the making interim order dated 20 accept.
Diploma. Here
Yes.
also is on interim, my lord. Is there any? I prepared during the interim. Well, the petitioner is a common officer. He took some action against the lady officer, and as a retaliation, she lost this case. My lord. All the correspondence before your lordship, kindly look at page 16. Because initially it started with a order of withdrawing her from the posting and all. Even there was a writ petition also, my lord, in regard to it, my lord. After she could not get the relief in
What
the,
was your designation? How you are related to her employment?
he is the director of the office.
Okay, so you want to say that page 17 was issued by you?
From
You are not
all 16, there was even a
No,
writ petition.
no, 16 is not by you.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
16 is not by you.
17 is by me.
17.
Then 18 is the consequential order. Then 19 is the email, my lord, saying that she will not be able to attend the position. These are the medical certificate annex, my lord. Then page 22 is again the order of the director that she has not complied with the official order, my lord. Page 13 is a representation, my lord. Yes, my lord. To state the attachment order. Then so cause notice was issued, my lord, by the district agricultural officer. That
Where is the FIR?
page 25, and there is also a writ petition where she could not get the relief, and the FIR is at page 44, and 42 is the type copy. Date of FIR is 27/2/2023. And she complains of incidents of sexual harassment of 17 September 2022. And the
When she lost this sexual harassment?
on 27/2/2023.
27 to
2023.
2023. Okay.
And the writ petition, my lord, is filed on 22/2/2023.
You want to say all these
Yes, my lord.
issued prior to lodging of even the complaint?
Yes, my lord. I'm just checking whether she has mentioned even in the writ petition which was filed in the month of February, my lord. He is made a respondent number 4, but I'm told that the allegation of sexual harassment is not there in the writ petition filed before this honorable court on, my lord.
22 to 23.
Yes,
I
her
appeared,
first statement is recorded.
My lord,
even I appeared.
he appeared, my lord, earlier on the, my lord, February.
Hmm.
Subsequently, 49 notice also given.
Hmm.
He is cooperating, not now he is the, no, it's got the city. Otherwise, he is appearing, cooperating since February. His statement recorded.
In time was granted on 22.
Yes,
My
But
lord,
he is from the, my lord,
yes, that's why we want to hear. Yes.
my lord, we are opposing the bail.
Uh,
So at this stage, we have only three preliminary objections.
uh,
First, my lord, it has been the opposing counsel has laid down. Uh, uh, First, my lord, this is a case of sexual harassment, in which the incident happened at a workplace, and the accused is a director of agriculture at Atma, CS Atma. It's a very higher, at a very official higher. So he has a very power to influence the witness. First, secondly, it has been said that a writ was filed. That writ has nothing to do with this case, and no adverse opinion can be taken on the basis a writ was in fact. Just because sexual harassment was not mentioned in that writ. Is a victim of my complainant is a victim of mental trauma. 354. There's a numerous judgment from Supreme Court where they have accepted that a victim of mental trauma at times should be given and time should be given in filing a complaint. Thirdly, my lords, in the interim protection, it was said that the applicant shall not leave the jurisdiction of the concerned judicial magistrate without prior permission. But there has been report. There has been Facebook posts by the complaint by the accused. He has been violating this order. In this regard, bail must be objected.
Otherwise, my lord, the statement of the, my lord, office.
give the CD allowed.
Peon and all this, my lord.
Give the CD allowed.
Peon and all this, my lord, they are not.
Your name, please give your name. Give your name in a slip. Give the CD.
Well.
Look into and we have already allowed. Yes.
Allegation of child prisoner.
FIR
is statement.
CT not received. CT not received.
Who lost the affair?
One of the villagers.
One of the villagers. Period of vintage.
AB match.
AB. Interim.
Interim 2 and 3 are on interim. 2 and 3 are on
Interim.
Who is one?
One is husband man.
Husband.
Your age is 19 years.
He is the father of the girl.
CD call for is not received. Full stop. Please this matter on.
Villa keeper. 29 minutes.
29. 11, 20, 23. Full stop. The interim order passed earlier in respect of petitioner number 2 and 3 shall continue. Considering that CD has not yet been received and also the fact that petitioner is aged about 19 years only, and that the FIR has not been lost by the FIR has not been lost either by the victim or by the father of the guardian of the victim, this court is of the considered opinion that the petitioner number 1 is also entitled for interim protection from interim protection. Accordingly, the present petitioner is also granted interim bail in terms with the similar terms as granted to the petitioner number 1 and 2 by this petitioner number 2 and 3 by this court under its order dated 7/6/2023, subject to the condition that the petitioner, condition within 7 days. Within 7 days.
May please, your lordship. My lord, in this case, my lord, case diary along with the injury report was falsified.
Okay.
My lord, we do not know whether
CD available, my lord. Here, one person got a bullet injury. He is, my lord,
Bullet injury.
operated in the same state, but that injury report is not available. That bullet was recovered, subsequently seized by the my lord, police from the doctor. Injury report is not available. However, my lord, this main culprit is Sanful, from which custody with 2 pistols and 59 rounds of ammunition recovered.
Arrested.
He was arrested.
Hmm.
Laden was arrested. And as per the statement of the Malat, this Sanful Malat, accused number 1, these petitioners, Balla, Hamid, they are also with them, Malat. They went to a stop, Malat, and to take revenge from earlier some activity, Malat.
Gang war.
Malat. And they demanded money from the.
This is not a case of AB.
AB,
my lord, matter is in the year 10, in the year 2021.
21, yes. But still,
This case should have been 36, my lord.
only because
They are trying to get you arrested. Therefore, you surrender. They will file the search sheet.
Very
They are
good.
providing you.
At least
Why have you not filed a surrender? We are sending him to you.
one
You
person-
file a.
Yes, my lord.
We are sending him to you, and they will arrest you and complete. After his arrest, they record his statement and file the search sheet.
2 only arrested, Malat, out of 10.
Hmm.
Others all are absconding. These 2% absconding, Malat.
But injury report is very much.
Injury
essential.
report, Malat.
Yes, my lord.
Malat.
One
Okay,
doctor shall be-
okay, be happy. Injury report
It is LS, my
on
lord.
138. CD may be returned back and be reproduced on 38. But your fate will be 7 on 38.
Right.
That is for sure. You bring that satisfaction for his satisfaction. It's not a case for anticipatory bill. Yes. Ali.
May I please, Lord.
Yes, tell me.
Lord. We are
What is
on
the
interim,
affair?
my lord, and we appeared before the IO, my lord.
Where is the affair? Tell us.
And my lord, page 11.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, my lord, that informant is a, my lord, construction company, my lord.
Hmm.
And he, my lord, invested money, my lord, for purchasing goods from Delhi.
Hmm.
Goods is not supplied. And according to him, my lord, I am agent of the company. Actually, I am not the agent, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, only,
Commercial transaction.
only the promissory note part, my lord, otherwise.
That is promissory note. They let them file a suit.
Yeah.
This is not a case for arrest and detention.
No.
Huh? Considering the nature of allegation, considering the nature of the allegation, which is commercial transaction, and that after this court, after the petitioner was granted interim protection by this court under its order dated 7/8/2023,
APA.
7/8/2023, appeared before the IO and got his statement recorded. Full stop. The case diary produced also does not reflect anything to suggest that the petitioner has either not cooperated with the investigation or tried to hamper or tamper with any investigation. In view of the aforesaid, and the material available in the case diary, in view of the aforesaid and after perusal of the material available on the case diary CD, this court is of the view that custodial interrogation of the petitioner shall not be required. Accordingly, interim order passed earlier dated 2020 is made effective.
Okay.
CD receipt.
What happened to Saddam?
33, my lord, is my lord. 34, Saddam is 34.
34
Saddam 34, my lord. 33
is Ovijit.
opposite.
Okay, Ovijit. 33 is Ovijit. What is this? Gambling.
Not gambling.
No, Lordship, it's a set up counter of Lordship, Rashtriya Bajrang. Small
That case, my lord, where there some training has been entrusted to the along with
You want anticipatory bail?
Right.
Shooting guns and arms act is registered.
arms check is not there, my lord.
153.
Why arms act is not there?
Because my lord, the teaser part reflects, my lord.
No arms.
There no arms is there, my lord. These are, my lord, air pistol, my lord.
Okay. Air gun.
Air.
So no arms act will come.
Arms check is not there.
Who are you?
Lordship, I am the founder of members of the Rashtriya Bajrang.
Now what did you do?
But
And they have also, my lord, admitted before the interrogation that some that pistols were there, my lord. Around 5 pistols were there. That has been seized.
5 pistol seized.
air gun.
Now no
Air gun.
air gun.
Air pistol.
And what is your interest in taking air gun? Whom will you kill? Go to the border. You want to save this country or what? What is this order 29/7? Minister Kargil Day.
Yes, Lord.
Why you need it on Kargil Day some air guns? Tell us that part. Air gun seizure may not be offense, but why do you need air guns on Kargil Day, celebration of Kargil Day?
After that, Lordship, for Lordship self-defense.
Self-defense from whom? Wild animals. Mahal, there is no wild animal. From whom you want self-defense? Tell us. We'll get you the bail. Satisfy us.
That one, not a single complaint, but a receipt from the public.
Why
It was
do you,
very peaceful, Lord. On the basis of some media report, Lord. And but 4 days program was here, Lordship. Not a single complaint from the public.
who lost this affair? Police.
Lord, police. On the basis of some media report.
But their things are corroborated by seizure of air gun.
Not a single complaint from the public.
Is it necessary that until and unless public complaint is received by the administration and police, no FIR can be lodged? Huh? More particularly when tranquility and peace is there. Question of tranquility and peace is there. Otherwise, they would not have lost this affair. And they would not have seized this gun. Yes, so was the case that.
Lordship, after that, Lordship, they have prepared before the IO and their statement has been reported.
Interim is granted?
No.
Okay. Interim granted?
Grant.
At a condition, they shall not involve in such kind of activities in future.
Deeply obliged.
And these 2 cases, same case, they are treated.
Charge sheet being?
Number 169/23, dated 38/23.
Full stop. Have you appeared before the IO?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. The interim. This is triable by magistrate?
Yes.
Yes.
363. Yes.
Agojitri interim federal shall continue till they appear before the learned trial court and files application for regular bail, and same is considered.
Any time frame or till when someone is.
When someone is given it.
When,
Otherwise, in these cases, we can make it absolute till the trial is over. That is the law. But still, they may some violate this, that. So that's why we are leaving that part to the magistrate.
it is there, but non-appearance, so my lord. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Day after none appears for the petitioner and call. List this matter day after tomorrow. The CD receipt may be retained till then. We'll see if nobody comes, we'll vacate this. Yes, where is the
I'm the petitioner. So
yes, we know that you are petitioner.
this 76,
Huh?
this 76 that I'm for Apostol. But if my friend learned the number 2.3, the comment, he can withdraw the affair.
That is most dangerous. Who are you? Who is the informant? Huh? What is your age? How can you withdraw a FIR? Huh? What is your age? What is your
My
age?
age is 21 years old.
And what is her age? What the case that is there?
17 years, 2 months old. As per the information.
Her consent is no.
This is item for 36. I just take it.
Item?
36.
That is over. We'll call after some time. That is last item or what?
That's only for CD. Actually, the CD has not yet come. Actually, up to
Oh, madam, you cannot make a mention and jump like this.
36, my lord, it was 6 day after tomorrow. Day after
You
tomorrow.
cannot do like this.
Day after
Who
tomorrow.
is your senior? No, you cannot do like this.
Day after
Please. Yes, next case. Next case.
Lord, 438. Petitioner is on entry.
Where is the FIR?
Page 12.
Who are you?
I'm the owner of the vehicle.
You do not know.
No.
That is your case. How are you? What is the meaning of becoming an owner and you do not know how where your truck is going?
My lord, actually, a particular showroom used to take there for 5 years. That's why my lord.
Yes. Have you recorded your statement?
I recorded.
Huh?
Record.
Yeah, statement recorded. Where is the material? No, A matter statement recorded. Not cooperated. Nothing is found. It was either not cooperated or tried to hamper and temper it. Dispose of interim absolute.
May it be 7. It is 341, 354 feet. 341 and 354 feet. It is. Effective step.
Where is the vernacular of the affair?
They are not translation for.
No, we do not really believe in translation. The way you people make translation, we do not understand. We are not of that high level English. We want to go through the vernacular. Yes.
12.
Yes. What did he do? Huh?
He
But-
misbehaved with that lady. Basically, there
Reason is something different.
something
Not
different. Not
the
regarding some house permission.
ah, this is reading of the affair itself. Otherwise, she would not have involved her mother,
Yes.
his mother. Are you on interim?
No, Lord.
Huh?
No.
Considering the material available on record, including the statement of the victim and other witnesses, and also considering the other materials, this court is of the view that custodial interrogation of the petitioner shall not be required in this case. Accordingly, provided you appear before the IO within 10 days
Obliged.
and other conditions. Hmm. Disposal.
Page period. Last page, well, page 14, the Caesar list. I am a owner of a dam. Admittedly, I have party. Page 14, my lord. Serial number 5, my lord. 30 numbers of iron, two pieces of iron plate, and one iron grinder, my lord, machine. That is of me, my lord. I have narrated my fact, my lord, at
But you have purchase.
Yes,
Purchaser is the more difficult thing.
yes.
Or you, they are being inspired.
But one, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 3, paragraph 3, my lord.
Page 3,
Paragraph 3.
3.
My submission is there.
Anticipatory is difficult. Page 3.
That's true, my lord. But my submission is there. Admitted.
Rakun is arrested.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
And Jahirul.
No, my lord. He's not.
What is the Ratun statement?
As per his statement, my lord, he sold the goods to this.
This person. This is not an anticipatory.
But from the FIR, my lord, the goods which have been stolen, my lord, is, my lord, some batteries and some iron anchor.
Where is the affair?
FIR at page 7. Many valuable items like track battery, 10 pieces, iron angle and iron plate welding. And this grinder machine belongs to me.
Iron plates recovered from your place.
Yes, 30 numbers of iron. Two numbers. Iron.
And this was late to discover in your garage. This is not a case of anticipatory. These are the source of inspiration of all this.
Dam owners are always
Susceptible. So they should take the risks, not anticipatory. Sometimes go and come back and do it. Rejected.
At this. I'm obliged.
Material available on record, including the fact that the stolen part of the stolen material has been recovered from the garage. Yes. Yes, where is the affair?
Page 8, my lord.
Page
8, my lord. This is section 13 of the Cattle Preservation Act.
Who are you?
I am a cultivator. I am not at all involved. In this case, only my name is accusation, my lord. And in the same name, another person is in the village. I am a cultivator. I am not at all involved.
City is any interim?
No interim, but in the last 16, this honorable court has directed that if
Okay. Case diary call for is not received. This court under its order dated 16/11/2023 provided that in the event case diary is not produced, the interim prayer of the applicant will be considered. Considered the interim prayer, considering the nature of allegation and the stand of the petitioner that he is not
he is not involved with the crime, my
he is not the Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain.
He is not the Zakir Hussain who is alleged to be involved in the offense, rather a different man. Full stop. Accordingly, it is provided to appear before the IO within 10 days and say that you are not the Zakir. Okay.
Right.
Please this matter on. After within 10 days will appear thereafter.
Yes, on 21st of December.
21st of December.
That in item number 50, two numbers of cities were called for.
Okay.
Gogamo PS 102 and Gogamo PS 104. We have received the city of 102.
Okay.
104 we have not.
What is the offenses, Alice?
My lord, can you find vernacular affair, my lord, 380? From the section 387.
What is 387?
What exception, my lord?
But there are some injury and all, you know. We'll see when it is submitted by the Learned Additional Public Prosecutor that case diary of
Gogamo PS 104 not received.
Case diary of Gogamo's case diary of Gogamo's PS case number 102/2023 has been received.
Yes.
However, the case diary of Gogamo PS case number 104/2023 has not been received. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment.
Well, in the meantime, I may be allowed. I'm not in it. It may be allowed. Because of this, my lord, first FIR, my lord, yeah, I have lost first FIR because
When have you lost the second affair?
second FIR can you find at page 30?
Subsequent date, my lord.
Subsequent date.
Subsequent next day, my lord. Next day. And it is, my lord, political rivalry is there. The petitioner happens to be a district joint secretary of Shikshak Mukti Sangram Samiti. And the opposite parties are Sen Mafia. And they have some political links with
We'll see on the next.
Sorted.
We were sorted, very sorted. If the case diary of Gogamo PS case number 104/2023 is not received on the next date, the prayer of bail for the petitioner shall be considered on the basis of the material available on Gogamo PS case number 102 of 2023.
29 November.
29th. Yes. Where is the FIR?
Page number 11 to 17. First, Salpari
Yes. Case diary?
Salpari cases, 123. Under section 417, 419, 406 of that. Both 417 and 419 bailiff matter. Only 406 non-bailable. It is a big update.
Should we grant bail?
Subsequently, here section 493 added.
What is 493?
My lord, this is cohabitation caused by a man deceitfully inducing a belief of lawful marriage.
That will not come because they are not lawfully married. But otherwise, cheating is there.
Yes.
You are a married man.
Yes.
You have disclosed. You have not disclosed your identity. Had it been a relation knowing each other, and having a physical relation, then this would not have been, she is also a major. But if you induce her to believe something,
which is
It's
not.
not, but the apparently, which one? Apparently, by his wife, my daughter, wife is only because informant is the best friend of his wife and same classmate, same as and belongs in same area.
so you are having a relation
Belong in
with
same area, my lord.
your
But-
wife's friend.
But in his marriage, in his marriage, in his wife's marriage,
So you want to
She
say
has
that
chosen
you
my
want to say that she very well knew that he is already
But-
married to her friend.
but my lord,
Hmm.
she was
What is the
according
tell us if this aspect is correct, then we are granting.
May
If she is aware that the boy with whom he is having a relation, his wife is her friend from long days, then she will
Yes, madam.
definitely know.
yes, my lord.
But that aspect is
And-
not coming up from the city. And the thing is that, my lord, not only this girl, but other girls are also
Maybe
there.
that we will not look into. If the girl is agreeable,
Ah.
knowing fully well that this man is my friend's husband,
Yes.
and thereafter she lodge an FIR that he has misled, then that material is necessary.
For
Are you on interim?
no,
You go and make your statement.
if-
Full stop. A space, comma. The present FIR is lodged. This present application is filed under matches. It is the stand of the petitioner that where is your statement in the FIR?
Otherwise, my lord, victim statement, that relationship is not made up.
That's why that is his stand. If that be so, then it is a.
both
But she will have to make a statement.
according to a
Where is that
fair
statement?
content, both are matured, my lord.
Whereas, where is your statement that both of you knew each other from long, and your wife and she is friend?
Page 6, my lord, second point.
Page six, para second. Page six, para second.
Lost by the informant. The present affair is lost by the informant, interiorly alleging that the present petitioner introduced himself by impersonating him entered into an affair with the petitioner, with the informant. It is the further case of the informant that taking advantage of such love affair, the petitioner, the informant had physical relation, consented for physical relation with the petitioner. However, subsequently she came to learn that the petitioner has impersonated himself and induced the petitioner, induced the informant to enter into such an affair. Full stop. However, a specific stand has been taken by the informant that a specific stand has been taken by the petitioner that the informant and the wife of the petitioner were close friends, and the petitioner got introduced to the informant by his wife. Full stop. By his wife. Full stop. It is the further case of the petitioner that due to some discord in the family life with his wife, the petitioner started the relation with the informant, in as much as informant is well aware of all such facts and she herself was present in the marriage solemnized between the petitioner and his wife. Full stop. That being the position, this court is of the view that let an interim protection be granted to the petitioner to record her statement before the police. Accordingly, accordingly, it is provided. So you appear within 10 days, record your statement. Yes, ask your IO to have investigation.
Yes, madam.
If they are aware, you produce all photographs and all. You produce those, then we'll consider. If that be so, she knew very well and then is doing this, then we'll grant it.
My lord, on 23rd.
23rd of it. Let's fight it. The same way. Yes.
And the allegation is either saying that the present petitioner is the elected member. He is taking money for keeping the house to the informant.
Why these cases are here?
My lord?
This is less than 7 years or what?
Yes. So it is
What are the offenses registered?
Yes, 420, 406.
420, what is the punishment?
7 years.
All 7 years.
7 years.
Now your loss will find my FIR is page 13. Completely my it negates that with the annexer which I have annexed my role. First question, whether the informed accused is not an elected member. His wife is the elected. Whole problem is that there is a contest between the wife and the one accused. And now election is coming, my lord, so he wants that I should not be allowed to help my wife protected.
You are the agent of your wife.
My lord, sometime it happens, but here is a case.
No, in this case, yes, my lord.
Huh?
But
Member is my lord wife. And
but house was allowed at place 20 or local.
Place?
Place 20.
affair
Already
run
prior
by
to
my
the FIR,
husband.
madam, already everything done. He got the house, madam.
Taken.
I have nothing to do, madam. It is a PMI scheme, madam. A panchayat member has nothing to do. Page 20 or lost kindly see. Name is beneficiary
Panchayat
name.
problem is Panchayat member is nothing to do, but there are many things to do.
Yes.
Because
Any-
these
Madam,
people are not aware of that
My
thing.
lord, anybody can do, even without panchayat member, something. they can
That
do.
is the problem.
That's why I'm not disputing about that. But here,
That part we should not go.
page 20 or local beneficiary name, Motleb check informant. Page 20, madam.
When it was issued,
It was issued your lossable fine. None, date is given here, madam. House completed, page 21. First installment, your lossable fine. The installment money was given for that house. 10/10/22, 27/2/23, 9/3/20.
yes,
My lord, these evidences are not in the CD, my lord. The evidence.
you'll have to collect it because
Yes.
these are with geotagging.
Yes, you're taking, my lord.
Are you on interim?
No.
Not on it.
We are getting an interim.
Yes.
See, this is the problem. See, this is mobile at Bharat map.
Yeah.
26th and 2021 existing site with the lady. Proposed site after then plinth on 15/2. Then roof cast on 8/3 because this geotagging must be same.
Same.
Then only it will be granted. So administrative sanction was granted on 2/10/2020. 2/10/2022.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
And financial when this release that is a debt.
And house also completed.
House also completed.
That is also.
You produce it before the
Madam, madam.
Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Case diary call for is received. Full stop. And perused. Full stop. Case diary received and perused. Full stop. The basic allegation by the informant is that for granting her benefit under PM, what you call it?
Prime Minister
PMAY, my lord.
PMAYG scheme.
PMAYG scheme.
The central government.
PMAYG. The petitioner, whose wife is the
Elected government.
elected Gao Panchayat member, demanded money, and after receiving such money, no house has been allotted. Full stop. However, Mr. Chaudhuri, Learned Senior Counsel, referring to the annexer 19, which is a downloaded copy of benefit. Annexer 3, page 19, which is a downloaded copy of beneficiary details so far relating to the informant, downloaded from the website of Government of India, Ministry of Rural Development. The said annexer reflects that the existing house was listed for benefit on 16th, existing house of the petitioner was listed on 16/10/2021. Was granted for such brought under such scheme on 26/10/2021, and the house was completed on 28/3/2023, and the FIR has been lodged on 18/8/2023. Full stop. In view of such material, however, such materials are not available on case diary. In view of the aforesaid, as an interim measure, it is provided that the petitioner shall appear before the IO and record his statement and also produce whatever materials with him before the IO within a the petitioner shall appear before the IO within a period of 10 days from today. In the event arrest to ensure.
Will send back the CD and
Yes, the case diary be sent back and be produced on the next date fixed.
Longer date, 18
December. You have the statement of other lady also.
Yes, I will.
That also I have an expert. That is also an
You produce all those things?
Yes, that also I have an Purely election is coming, my lord, only before that. But it is a case 384, my lord. One home guard, he was in association with some others, my lord. It is something that he has taken money from one passenger, 1,000 feet. And thereafter money was given back to him also. Page 11, my lord.
What is this? I have seen other cases, all now Google Pay.
Yes, my Google Pay.
Even that robbery of Pongol that in notice you have issued, their amount has been 50,000 paid through the GPay. And from that it was recovered that this is the person to whose account it is sent.
Here's the same thing.
Here is a matter of home guard, the platform, my lord.
Oh, that case. We have not granted someone bail. Railway.
But here, my is almost he is one of the members of the team, my. And allegation is, my that he taken 1,000 rupees. Suppose he taken, it is given back also. It is also there and there.
Maybe.
Yes,
what do you forget about the 1,000 rupees? You have allowed to go pass on some narcotics.
No. This is not the case.
This is what is this?
It is a passenger was coming to railway station. On the way, his baggage was, my lord, was checked. Was supposed to be checked. He said, "I'll give 1,000 rupees. You give, we will not check. We will allow to." That is a case. That is another case, man. That I say, man.
Yes,
That case, my lord, that bail was
just I'm good. Giving this statement, my lord.
Just a minute. Why he was interpreted for checking luggage? Something must be there in the luggage. Then why why the
That is not suspect. That is also not there, my lord.
This is the person, my lord, in whose Google account, my lord, the money was.
we know that.
That
We
is
know
there,
that.
FIR.
Earlier it was pawn shop.
Some other case.
No, not here. I'm not saying before
Madam,
the
Yeah.
Google Pay was
I have gone
existent.
through that, my lord, in one other in Kamakya discussion.
And in earlier in those days, when Google Pays were not there, this was a place where pawn shop is there. The truck driver will drop down and pay the deposit the amount in the pawn shop.
This is also pawn shop, but now Google Pay.
Google Pay.
But it is not narcotics, my lord. It is maybe jewelry or something other things maybe there. It is never come. My lord.
They have written.
And he stated he was in the team, but immediately on having information that he,
You are having a serious responsibility.
but it is too my home guard, my police
No.
discharge also, my lord.
No.
But it is
This is not a case.
temporary nature of the my lord that year.
Whatsoever.
Already
This is
discharge
not
also,
the,
he got the
this is-
punishment, my lord. Discharge was not suspense, but he discharge.
No, we cannot, we have to make
No,
us
that's true, my lord. But it
principle.
is not that part of some illegal things. That is also not there. It is not the case that he was allowed to some illegal.
What is the statement of the victim?
Victim, my lord,
Who is the informant?
one Chief Kumar.
Informant is a police.
Informant is police,
Yeah,
my lord.
Police, but who is the victim?
Victim is one Chief Kumar, my lord.
Sarban.
Shravan Kumar.
Sarban Kumar.
Shravan Kumar. So, as per the statement of the my lord, the pawn shop owner, money came from the Shravan Kumar. He is the victim. The victim's name has been in the FIR.
Money was stated to have been paid to one is Saburuddin of platform.
He is not the only one.
He is not done.
He is not the only one. He is in fact the victim. He is in fact the victim, the home guard. The officer in charge under whom he is there, he should be investigated. Without in charge, should we comment on that? Can a home guard take money from a passenger without the sanction and authority of his officer? He just scapegoat.
As per the my lord statement of Saburuddin, my lord, Ratul Ali is always my lord in conflict with him.
That's why
My lord,
he is the rank above the pawn shop owner.
he is the middleman.
He is the last in the rank.
Right.
The whole amount will go to somewhere else. He gets 7,000 rupees per month. That is also for 6 months appointment. He is the collecting agent. And he will not investigate the other. He will take judicial notice. Because we have seen other cases to railway stations and narcotics are being allowed to.
That is it. More.
Do you have guts to give statement against who under whom you have done it? We will monitor this case. Interim, considering the material available on record. Interim granted. Appear before the IO and record his statement. And disclosing everything. And the IO shall also record his statement under section 164 CRPC. Case diary be returned back and be produced before this court on?
On 15, my,
We'll do something.
I am paying for a copy.
Okay, a copy of this order.
Then
Then you go and record your statement. Anything happens, any threatening or anything, be a leader in this case. We will protect him. Yes.
Support 38. FIR is at page 11. Relevant page is 13.
Huh?
Relevant page 13.
438.
430. He not receive order. Go ahead.
Who are you?
I'm the branch manager.
Please receive.
Zero.
Are you on interim?
Oh, yeah. I suppose I get appear before time. Prior to this FIR, we have also filed a FIR. That is at page 80 by the bank. It's on 16. Against this print.
Is it the way of a manager?
There is a mistake of the but 409 can be because there was no bit of and bank is also in the
Let
process
him
of
record his statement. Because they are under pressure to have fixed deposit and all. Because they will have to give a report how much fixed deposit you have target. So somebody took that advantage and came and said that, okay, I'll give you I am the owner of this 2 crore fixed deposit. What more is required to a branch manager? Case diary call for is received, not received. Full stop. Not received. Considering that the bank has already lodged an FIR before the officer in charge Dispur Police Station dated 16th of October 2023, which has been registered as
case number
Dispur PS case number 2018/2023, alleging cheating and misappropriation. Full stop. You are the Sanjay Kumar?
no, you're not. I'm the branch manager. He is the zonal head.
By the zonal head. wherein the petitioner has not been alleged to relating to the same offense, comma, wherein no allegation has been made against the present petitioner, comma, this court is of the view that the statement of the petitioner may help the investigating authority in the present case also. So accordingly, it is provided that within 10 days.
64 is fine.
Huh?
Same here. Item number 64 is okay.
It's the manager.
Okay, same 60.
Highly open.
My lord, date
Give a date.
22nd of December.
22nd of December.
Highly open.
It's okay. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Who is the influence? Where is your senior?
Kindly pardon.
Huh?
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, this matter, I am not here on the merits of the, with connection with the facts and merits of the matter. What happened, your lordship, just to give a brief, that Honorable Apex Court, looking at the various disparities in the criminal trial proceeding conducted throughout the country, the Honorable Apex...
This has been already been committed, charge has been framed.
My lord, and
now
what
you
happened?
want that they should follow the procedure of the rules stipulated in view of the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court.
Honorable Apex Court, plus your lordship will appreciate that in pursuance to the direction issued by the Honorable Apex Court, this Honorable High Court, by
That is the rule. That is the notification given. So you want that application of by the Sessions Court.
Exactly, your lordship.
Why should we pass a direction upon our officer that apprehending that they will not follow?
My lord, exactly that has happened. That is the matter.
Let us see what the session judge do. Come whenever that is not followed.
No, my lord. What happened? What is my prayer in this matter?
This is a frivolous petition.
No, my lord. Let me make the points. What happened, your lordship? Of course, your lordship, if I am able to satisfy, your lordship will kindly see the order passed by the learned CGM at page 43. Page 43, that is the typed copy, your lordship. My lord, may kindly come to the original at page 45. Page 45.
Yes.
My lord is there.
What is wrong in this?
My lord, the IC of the case has submitted the charge sheet against the accused name, my lord, the name of the accused, and the recent documents, 1 sketch map, 2 seizure list, charge and seizure list, inquest report, 1 PM report, 1 injury report, 1 FSL report, and brief facts of the case, serial number 16 and 17, have been submitted along with CS. Register as a case and place it on disposal. Now, your lordship, kindly come to para 11 of the judgment passed by the Honorable Apex Court, where it has been said that the magistrate at that point of filing of the charge sheet must ask the IO that give the list of the documents in which you are not relied, though it is a part of the investigation.
They will come back to you. You are wasting your time. Yes, next guest. How many matters are there? Orders come out.
Well, it has been rejected.
We'll come back to you. We'll give you a patient hearing at 2.
Well, 2 PM, my lord. Obliged.
Yes. Yes, why this matter is listed?
No paid.
Huh?
Cancellation of paid. Notice was issued.
Item?
553. In this case, Lordship Honorable High Court rejected their AB Lordship to crime. And Session Court also rejected by Lordship. But after charge sheet was framed prior, if they came before this court and could wait.
Where is that?
Lordship await service report. Issued notice, but no service report is
Await service. In view of the office note dated?
Lordship 17.
1711. Await service report.
Short date and registry and track the.
You submit whatever you have. Okay, we'll come back at 2.
Apply.
This matter? What was she requesting?
I was requesting that my lord, some guidelines were not been,
No, this is not
Oh,
this. This is that order matters.
or just that my service report is awaited.
Okay, await service report and list after 2 weeks with an updated service report. Just wait. Yes, Mahmood. What is your case? Just a minute.
My case is for the 10 years conviction.
Ah.
And I was behind the bar since the 5 months and earlier 3 months, 8 months total. Case is a clear case of acquittal.
No, we understand that. But why this appeal was admitted already?
Yes.
Now, why scan copies were called for? How can we look at these scan copies, which is not even legible? Give the eye. Scan copies received. Appeal is admitted. We should call for the original record. Without original record, how will he certify?
At present, I am for bail.
No, that we understand, but even into go into the bail, what is the offenses?
Offense, my lord, under 366, 371A.
Okay, learned PP, go through it. We are taking a day after tomorrow. Just mark it.
There is a punishment for 10 years. So we have to also
file an objection. 10 years, you'll have to file an objection. I hate it.
And copy upon the rational note is also sir.
Okay, that we have seen. Learned additional public prosecutor Mr. Goswami submits that he may be granted 2 weeks time to file
objection again.
Objection in a present IA. There is allowed list accordingly. You go through it, and mark it which are. Give it at when?
On my lord, 38, my lord.
38.
30 November.
Okay, fixed you after 2 weeks.
30/11.
30/11. No, we have released you after 2 weeks. We'll give a date. Registry, tell the registry, we should not pass order. Ask them to have it. They will.
There is another matter. There are 7 accused. So 5 of them filed one criminal petition, and 2 of them filed
So list record list along with
359 of the that is listed in court.
Okay, we'll see. So list along with. Give a date after 2 weeks.
Criminal revision petition 359 of the apply. Apply.
It's over. Yes. Give the pen. Yes, Khogan Halle. Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Tell us what is your basis?
My lord, the basis is that I am, to be very frank and very honest, I have not here to challenge the order of framing, charge framing order on merits, to be very frank. What my limited pair is that since the Honorable Apex Court in the criminal trial guidelines has given a set of guidelines which is to be followed by all the trial courts of the country, and accordingly directed all the high courts to make the necessary amendments in their criminal.
We have done it. We know that. Up to that, we know that. Yes,
exactly. Now, what happened, your lordship? Once the charge sheet was filed, as I've taken your lordship to that order, the learned magistrate court, when the notification was in force, the learned magistrate court passed the order in a mechanical manner.
So basically, without challenging on the basis of past action or past conduct of the learned courts below, you are apprehending that session judge may also not follow this rule. Therefore, you are before this court.
No. Your lordship, even what happened after that, after this order was passed, the matter was committed to the sessions court. Now, your lordship will kindly come to the sessions court's order, framing of the charge order. In 2 lines, just in 2 lines, has framed the charges.
What is the mandate of the rule? How to frame a charge?
My lord, as far as your Lord mandate of the rule is concerned, your Lordship will kindly see the notification which I have annexed at page 19 to 35. My Lord may kindly come. Chapter 13 at page 23.
Yes.
Page 23.
Yes.
The order framing charge shall be accompanied by a formal charge in Form 32, Schedule 2 CRPC to be prepared personally by the presiding officer after complete and total application of mine. Now, your Lordship, kindly come to the charge order.
Which rule you are saying?
That is page 23, chapter 13. Your Lordship will see the charge, heading charge. The order framing charge shall be accompanied by a formal charge in Form 32, Schedule 2 CRPC to be prepared personally by the presiding officer after complete and total application of mine. Now, my Lord will kindly see the charge order, page 127.
Now today is listed for why? Why this matter is listed today? Motion?
My Lord, motion. Now, your Lordship will kindly see page 127, third para. Page 127. My Lord is there?
Yes.
Kindly come to third para. The line begins with, I have heard learned counsel for the accused person as well as learned PP on the point of consideration of charge.
Where?
On
page? Okay.
page 127, annexure P7. Para 3. I have heard learned counsel for the accused person as well as learned PP on the point of consideration of charge. On perusal of case diary and entire documents on record, I find prima facie material of offense under section 120B 302 IPC against the aforementioned accused person. Accordingly, charges framed. Now, your Lordship will kindly appreciate.
Are you challenging this order here?
My Lord, yes, it has been challenged. My prayer in this matter altogether is that
you want to challenge, still pursue this challenge.
Pardon, my Lord?
To this framing of charge order being non-application of I want to challenge this.
My Lord, yes, my Lord, my prayer is that what I have contention in this petition is that both the orders of the trial court below, including the Honorable Sessions Court, is totally in violation of the settled principles of law as laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in the criminal trial guidelines, and the judgment read in main Pal Singh's case, which I have already given your Lordship, where it has been categorically held that a framing of a charge, be it under 212, 211, 212, 215, and 464, the due process has to be applied. That means the framing of charge, the trial court has to give a prima facie view on why he or she is framing the charge with the disclosure of the offenses. Without that, the charge order is bad. Second thing, first thing, your Lordship, is that since I am not here on merits, to be very frank, again,
If you're not here in merit, you are wasting court's time.
No, I am not disputing the facts. I am saying that
therefore, you will have to come to a finding to allow your petition that these two orders in conformity with the rules and the judgment.
Exactly, my
Then
Lord.
only your apprehension, we can say you have an apprehension.
My Lord, in fact,
your apprehension must have some base. So before that, we'll have to come into a logical conclusion that these orders, two orders, are in violation of rules and this. Rules
Exactly,
and,
your Lord.
so therefore, you are indirectly challenging it.
My
the
Lord.
moment we come into a conclusion, it's in violation of the rule. That cannot sustain.
My Lord, in fact, what my challenge is that
So
both
your whole plank of argument is that this we are not challenging. However, there should be a direction issued to the magistrate because on the basis of your apprehension. So your apprehension is based on these two orders. Your apprehension cannot be baseless. So your apprehension is based on two orders, and these apprehensions, to be satisfied, we'll have to say that these orders are in violation of rules. Moment we say this is in violation of rules, these orders will go.
Exactly, my Lord. My lord, may
So
kindly come to
then
my
why are you arguing that I am not challenging this?
No, no, my submission was that,
Answer to me.
my lord, my submission was that.
You cannot have both that I am not challenging this order at the same time these orders are bad. Therefore, let them not do bad things in the future. So then I'll have to come to your satisfaction that these orders are bad in violation. And court cannot stop there. Court will have to go further.
My
This
lord.
is bad also, this will sustain also. That cannot be.
My lord, exactly your lordship, what your lordship is saying, I totally bow down to that. Perhaps I was not able to place it properly. I am not on factual part regarding the merits of the case as a whole, what is alleged in the FIR or the charge sheet.
So
that is
you
what,
want to say because of this procedural lapse, this order, more particularly order dated 15/5/2023, is liable to be interfered with in exercise of
My lord,
power under 482.
no,
That
my
is
lord,
your case.
227. My lord, 227. 227. Since
Okay, we'll pass this order.
And in fact, if your lordship permits me just to place one small judgment, your lordship will kindly see the judgment passed by the honorable by this honorable court in Padmadani's case 2013 SCC online. I have given the book list where this honorable court has held that when an order is being passed by any court in opposite to the law laid down by the apex court, it is non-esteemed law. So
yeah, that is what I'm saying. You are saying
Yes.
that we'll have to come to a finding that this is in violation of there is no quarrel on the proposition of law that if it is in violation of the procedure established by law, then
My
it is to go.
My
Now,
lord.
court has come to a conclusion that I have a prima facie satisfaction. You want that they ought to have given reasons and details in an elaborate way. Is that it? It says that I have gone into thing, all matters are peru, so I am prima facie satisfied, charge is framed. Now, according to you, this is not the procedure. This is non-application of mind. So you'll have to find it whether this is non-application of mind or application of mind. Isn't it?
My lord.
Proposition of law, there is no quarrel. So we'll have to decide on the facts of this case whether this is application of mind or non-application of mind.
Exactly, my lord.
Isn't it?
My lord.
So your contention that there is a Supreme Court judgment that in view of that Supreme Court judgment, rule has been framed, there is no quarrel on that.
My lord.
If your argument is that I am apprehending that I am not challenging this order, but I am apprehending this may happen future, we will have to come to a conclusion that your apprehension is having a basis in view of the violation of procedure by the court. Moment we come into that conclusion, that will have to go. Therefore, we'll examine whether this order is bad or good.
My lord, absolutely. My humble submission is that at this point, since the charges have been framed, when on the last occasion when this matter came up before court number 21, I apprised that the trial is at a very initial stage. So let the proceedings of the trial be stayed at this stage because I have a prima facie case. If it is goes against me, I will automatically face the trial. So what I am requesting is, your lordship, this matter is fixed in the month of January for evidence. So if prior to that, if this matter gets disposed of, it's fine.
We are disposing it today itself.
My lord. So
I'll have to see whether that impugn order is in violation of this rule, more particularly that there is non-application of mind.
My lord.
We'll see it.
My lord. Then can I place the authorities, if your lordship, to supplement my argument?
Yes, place it. No, there is no point on law that when there is non-application of mild framing of charge order, you'll have to go.
My lord.
So we'll see it.
My lord. Your lordship, at this point, my lord may kindly come to the judgment passed by the apex court in 2021 10 SSC 598. Para 11. Para 11.
Yes.
The amicus curiae pointed out that at the commencement of the trial, accused are only furnished with list of documents and statements which the prosecution relies on and are kept in the dark about other material, which the police or the prosecution may have in their possession, which may be exculpatory in nature or absolve or help the accused. This court is of the opinion that while furnishing the list of the statements, documents, and material objects under section 207-208 CRPC, the magistrate should also ensure that a list of other materials, such as statements or object documents seen but not relied on, should be furnished to the accused. This is to ensure that in case the accused is of the view that such materials are necessary to be produced for a proper and just trial, she or he may seek appropriate orders under CRPC for the production during the trial in the interest of justice. It is directed accordingly. The draft rules have been accordingly modified. Rule 4.1. Now, my lord, in pursuance to this direction, kindly come to page 23 of the paper book.
Yes.
Page 23. My lord, it is the heading starts chapter 14, trial. Supply of documents under section 173, 207, and 208 CRPC. Every accused shall be supplied with the statements of witnesses recorded under section 161 and 164 CRPC and a list of documents, material objects, and exhibits seized during investigation and relied upon by the IO in accordance with section 207 and 208 CRPC. Explanation. The list of statement, documents, material object, and exhibit shall specify statements, documents, material object, and exhibit that are not relied upon by the IO. My lord, this is the rule which has been framed by this court while exercising 227 as per the direction of the Apex Court. Now, your lordship will kindly come to the order passed by the learned judicial magistrate first class. At page 43.
Those are gone.
My
You
lord.
are after framing of charges, you are coming here.
My lord.
How will you explain your delayed approach? To reverse the clock.
My lord.
Huh? What is the order dated?
Pardon, my lord?
What is the order of the learned magistrate?
My lord, order of learned magistrate 29/2022.
So 1 year.
1 year.
And what happened thereafter?
My lord, the trial did not, the proceeding did not started. Accordingly, my lord, when the matter was committed to the Sessions Court, my lord, the Sessions Court, on 2 occasions, the accused persons appeared and subsequently the engaged counsel.
When the charge was framed?
My lord, charge was framed on
May.
15/5/2000, May 2020.
May 2022.
23.
23.
My lord. Okay. Now, your lordship, as your lordship has appreciated the factual legal position of the Honorable Apex Court and this. Now, coming to the charge, your lordship, as I have already referred, that the learned trial court at page 127 has categorically stated that on perusal of the case diary and entire documents on record, I don't find that at the framing of charge, the case diary loses its relevance because it is the final report, that is the charge sheet, and charge sheet does not form the part of the case diary. Now, your lordship will kindly see the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court in 2010 SCC 130. Para 17. May I read it to your lordship? Para 17. The following principles relating to section 212, 215, and 464 of the code relevant to the case become evident from the said invocation. The object of framing of a charge is to enable an accused to have a clear idea of what he is being tried for and for the essential fact that he has to meet. The charge must also contain the particulars of date, time, place, and persons against whom the offense was committed, as are reasonably sufficient to give the accused notice of the matter with which he is charged. Number 2, the charge is entitled to know with certainty and accuracy the exact nature of the charge against him, and unless he has knowledge, such knowledge, his defense will be prejudiced. Where an accused is charged with having committed offense against one person, but on the evidence laid he is convicted for committing offense against another person, without the charge being framed in respect of it, the accused will be prejudiced, resulting in a failure of justice. but there will be no prejudice or failure of justice when there was any error in the charge and the accused was error of the error. Such knowledge can be inferred from the defense. That is, if the defense or the accused showed that he was defending himself against the real and actual charge and not the erroneous charge. In judging a question of prejudice as of guilt, the court must act with a broad vision and look into the substance and not to the technicalities, and their main concern should be to see whether the accused had a fair trial, whether he knew what he was being tried for, whether the main facts sought to be established against him and explained to him fairly and clearly.
There will be a separate charge framing the charge.
My lord.
Where is that?
It is not there.
So you say that after this order, there is no specific framing of charges.
No, my lord. I applied for the certified copy, and this is a copy of the record. From the record, I have got the certified copy and I have annexed it.
Where have your statement that this is the last thing? There is no specific. This is the order. Thereafter, there will be a formal charge should be recorded.
No, that is the form. Your lordship, we are talking about the form. My lord, I have applied the certified copy. I have applied the certified
these are
copy.
fill up that what is your charge, what have you, this is a charge against so and so, so and so. On that basis of the 7th, nothing more is required than this. There is a formal charge.
But when I applied for the certified copy, your lordship, I asked for the certified copy of the charge order. So automatically...
Okay, we wait for some time. Mr. Buragohai, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor. The present application is filed assailing an order. Application is filed assailing an order dated amongst other an order dated 15/5/2023 passed by the learned session judge in session case number 15 of passed by the learned session judge Nalbari.
Minor
Nalbari in sessions case number 15 of 2023. According to the learned counsel for the petitioner, the aforesaid order dated 15/5/2023 is not in conformity with the Rule 6 of the conformity to the amended rules of Guwahati High Court Criminal Rules and Order, which was notified by notification dated 29/1/2022. Full stop. It is a specific contention of Mr. Buragohai, Borgohai, that pursuant to order dated
29/2022.
Pursuant to aforesaid order dated 29 is the first order. We are not going to 29. 29 will reject on the ground of delay. This is an important aspect.
My lord, even if your lordship will just bear for a moment.
That we are not entertaining at this stage. We will not reverse a clock at this stage. Of course, if no specific charge is framed on the basis, we will examine this. Come on. It is a specific contention of Mr. Borgohai that pursuant to order dated 15/5/2023, no formal charge has been framed. Full stop. That is the position. Registry shall obtain a report from the learned session judge Nalbari whether any formal charge in terms of formal charge in terms of Form 32, Schedule 2 CRPC has been prepared by the learned session judge. Full stop. In this regard, a report may be called from the learned session judge, and if such formal charge has been framed, a scanned copy of the same may be forwarded to this court. List this matter on. When is your next date?
My lord, it is in the month of January.
So list this matter after 3 weeks, December.
And just one thing I like to point out, my lord.
My lord,
Here, my lord,
if
second session there judicial magistrate all being made party.
no. It was made, but subsequently objection was raised by the registry. We have deleted it. We have deleted it, my lord.
But you have not
And-
corrected in PP's of
Yes,
PP's
yes,
copy.
that is
How
why-
will they know?
My
that is
lord,
why, my lord,
Okay. List this matter on 19 December 2023. Full stop. The order be communicated to the learned court forthwith by the learned trial court below forthwith by the registry.
Your lordship,
List accordingly in the motion column. Full stop.
my lord, if your lordship permits me, can I make one more submission?
No. You want to
But
stay. You
no,
want to
in
stay.
fact,
19th is your date is in the month of January. You are taking it
no.
on
I
19th.
wanted to apprise this honorable court over one particular fact.
Yes.
Today, your lordship, I was observing a matter. Today, your lordship was dealing with one bail application. Nothing prejudice or nothing interested. That your lordship, one case, air guns have been seized.
We forget all things. These are not in the court proceeding. That is when we get a sit over a cup of tea, then only. These are not entertained here.
In fact,
Yes,
the
next.
Arms Act, it has been modified, my lord.
No, not
My
necessary.
lord. Obliged.
Yes.
I am for the petitioner.
Hmm.
My senior effective is out of petition. I don't know.
Okay. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the petitioner matter states adjourned and be listed after.
Date may be fixed.
Why? What is your urgency?
My lord, in this case, they come against 125 proceeding. They have not paid, but my lord, about 2,28,000 is
Proceed against them. We have not even issued notice only.
earlier they approached before this honorable under 482.
Hmm.
That was rejected.
Hmm.
And they have-
Suppose you dismiss it today.
Lord.
You proceed, get a warrant issued, arrested him. Suppose we pass an order, pay it.
warrant was already issued, my lord.
Now, what
And then-
can this
then-
court?
He come and pay something, and they said that will pay.
Now, can you tell us?
No.
Who can this court under 482 proceed like a magistrate's court that
No.
will monitor how who is paid or not paid?
Not date may be fixed. Date may be.
You proceed against him. How many days of delay?
250
We'll condone it today.
on the condition payment or something. Well, 2
No,
lakhs.
no. We'll condone it and we are listing it when your senior is coming. You have an urgency?
After 2 weeks.
No, not after 2 weeks. It's not like that. You are also taking advantage, filing a IA. We are allowing this. Which are the paragraphs?
Paragraph but 3 and 4.
Paragraph 3 and 4.
And that was also not correct.
We are condoning it. Let it come on motion. Registry to list the connected criminal, register the connected criminal review petition and list this matter after 10 days. After 10 days, showing name of Mr. H.A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the opposite.
Date.
No, we cannot give a date. The child is not yet born.
High level.
Yes, what is this?
Cancellation of bail 482, my lord.
Actually, another application. We are looking for it.
Registered as criminal petition, my lord.
Yes. Why you want to rejection of his bail?
But actually,
We are dismissing this.
I am the victim.
Hmm.
It's the victim.
Hmm.
Case.
Hmm.
It's the problem is
Your conduct we have seen in the FIR, in the case diary, everywhere. This is not a case for cancellation of bail. So what to do?
my ground was not regarding the hearing of the victim. It's the bail hearing. At the bail hearing.
You ought to have come. There is no mandatory rule that you- your rule that you should be hurt.
Actually, the Supreme Court,
Ah.
the case of Jagmeet Singh.
In the
Yes.
case of Jagjit Singh, Supreme Court has said that a victim is her right of having right to participate in the proceeding at every stage. You have not exercised your right.
Actually, I have gone there
Ah.
during the stage. I have also filed an opposition
Then
regarding that. But I was there to be present during the time of her. But I was not allowed. Actually, they told us that it would not take place. And thereafter, Lordship,
no,
again,
these stories facts we cannot go. Trustee submitted.
I have received someone. I haven't told them.
You have filed objection.
Yes, ma'am.
That is not in the record with the record.
Copy has been given.
We'll take up on Friday. We'll pass this order on Friday. We'll go through your objection
can it be of
next week. You have no problem. Otherwise, the learned it is submitted that the opposite party respondent number two has already filed affidavit in opposition, or what do you call it? Affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Same is not tagged with the record. Registry to verify and list along with the list with the IA, a list with the petition, tag with the record of this case, and list it on next week. Give a date with 1st of December.
In other case, Borgoy, my lord. Actually,
You'll roam around with him. Huh? One day he will do something, then other days you will roam around with him and lost the affair after how many days?
12 days.
13.
From the first incident.
Second.
From the second incident. From the first incident, more than a month.
Yes.
29 years.
29 years.
What educated, my lord? Engineer.
Happiness. The happiness to see you behind. Nothing more. Yes.
In other case, Borgoy appeared.
That
a court of regis is not necessary. Supreme Court.
That we know.
May I please,
Yes.
in this matter, on the last occasion, on the submission of the learned counsel that
This is Mahmood's case.
Yes.
I am for respondent.
This is an appeal against executive.
Appeal against executive.
On the last occasion, Your Honor, a submission was made on by both the parties that the evidence was not readable. Then
Evidence was not
readable. And then
that is what I am saying. Yes. Somebody was supposed to type handwritten depositions. Type the handwritten depositions. PP took undertaking. Who was the PP? I have not written.
Honor, as far as I remember.
Who was here?
Ranjan Borua.
Somebody was there who said that because you couldn't, then said we'll have this type. But this is appeal against executive by the informant, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it is your responsibility. Do it. You should take that in. Why would after going through this, I thought why I passed this order. It was in fact ordered by me.
But Lord, he has telephone informed me that he has already done that.
Done it.
Yeah.
See, sometimes wrong order helps us. Okay, who was the public prosecutor?
Ranjan Borua.
Okay, Borua was there. Mr. Ranjan Borua. No, full stop. The matter stands adjourned and be listed. Any information? After 10 days. Give a date, 2013 matter. Showing name of Mr. R. Borua, learned additional public prosecutor. Okay, Mahmood?
No.
Give a copy to him also, Mahmood. You get it Xerox from Mr. Borua. How we have unnecessarily and you should also do something because the sword is hanging up on your head, isn't it? So you, Mr. Chaudhuri, you coordinate between all.
Can it be
6th? Okay, 6th of.
Okay.
What is your ground appeal against Equitel? It's very tough generally. What were the alleged offenses?
Lordship, basically in this case, Lordship, 3 persons were acquitted and one of the person were convicted who was facing on the same. And, the
And what
person,
happened to the other those who
he has
convicted?
already expired, so the case has been acquitted.
Okay.
No, who was convicted, he has
He has abated.
Okay.
person
Against
was
him
in-
during the
abated.
pendency of jail.
During the pendency of this case.
Jail, he was in jail,
Okay.
already died.
Okay. So that has gone. Now only remains is him, according to he should also be put behind bars. Okay, we'll see.
Same set of eyewitnesses as deposed there.
Okay, we'll see it. If it's a demanding and compelling case, of course, but it should be a compelling case, not like that
Then
because
only
I am
court-
having a different view. It's not like that.
Then only court to interfere.
Yes. Only having a different view will not be. Yes, Mahmood, be ready.
For pleasure.
Wait, results.
Yes, tell us what is this.
My lord, this is an appeal, my lord. Against judgment and order dated 3/6/2023.
But why? Tell me one thing.
Yes.
Why these scan copies are being called in a criminal appeal where matter is admitted? Yes, order was scan copy, and it's not readable anything. We understand your anxiety,
Yes.
but still then, because of your anxiety, this scan copies has been called.
But
Isn't it?
yeah, probably my.
Probably no, it's for yes, not probably. You said, my lord, I have urgency, please call for the scan copies. Call for the scan copies, now you read it. Burden is upon the, all this, can we decide, almost deciding your bail will mean deciding your whole case.
We have not pressed for bail also.
So this is a hearing.
Yes.
So
Yes.
can we certify the lower court judgment without the original being before us?
Actually, the answer should have been there.
That prayer you ought to have made on the day one, it would have come. In view of urgency, you said let the scan copies come. We cannot pass an order on scan copies. All scan copies. What to do?
Call for the LCR, man.
Okay. So scan copies are received. However, as the matter has already been admitted, this court is required to peruse the original records pertaining to which case? Pertaining to?
My lord, session case number 52/21.
Pertaining to records pertaining to sessions case number 52 of 2021.
Pending before the learned.
Not pending, which was disposed of by the learned session judge Dhubri. Full stop. Accordingly, call for the record of session case number session case number 52 of 2021 from the court of learned session judge Dhubri. Please this matter on. We'll give a try that
Small
nothing
case,
would,
man.
because this was your mistake.
Yes. 3 years was already completed. 2 years, 4 months, 33 days.
We understand. But problem is this. We also feel for it, but ultimately we'll have to make a determination.
Any date of the first, the second week of
Second week of December is a better proposition. Otherwise, give a date. Second week. 14th of December. 2020.
highly of that.